Hey guys, I'm Jacqueline.
I'm Marcella.
And we're about to watch a fan video. It is Fan Video Friday, the day where we cry about Clarke. And we are going to watch, the first one that we're going to watch today is Bellamy and Clarke Hurricane.
By Gracie
By Gracie, and we're really excited to meet her.
For this one. I cannot tell you guys how much it has killed me to wait to watch fan videos for today. It's been tough, but I'm
It was hard.
I'm
It's been
here.
hard.
I can't wait to watch them with you guys.
Weakness. What is? Love? Her friends are her weakness. I was being weak. It's worth the risk. Start with Bellamy and Clarke.
We'll both take losses. Bellamy alone.
We can save the human race. Together.
Together.
Finding her strength.
You have such a big heart, Bellamy. People follow you. You inspire them.
They listen to you more.
I gave them an easy choice. Only choice. All I think about every day is how we're going to keep everyone alive. I have to save them. But we don't have a choice. That's rich for a person who wears
So
self.
much history between them.
We're on that list. You're on that list.
It was so soft.
Write it down. Write it down. Right. Can't let you kill Clarke. Oh, here we go again.
Pleading for the life of a traitor who you love. Too bad you never got to go to China.
You don't know what you're talking about.
I need you. I need you.
You need me.
Yes.
I need still more. I'm just surviving.
You know that that's okay. But we need each other, Bellamy.
He was so short.
Hey.
So soft. Oh.
I do believe in second chances. You're not mad at me for leaving you on this.
The commander ordered me not to be.
Forgiveness comes so
We have to talk about it.
Can we figure it out later? Really? Like to trust that guy with my life?
I trust his. I have faith in him. You covering us the entire time. I'm not.
You can't be serious.
I am. And I trust.
It had to be done.
It's impressive.
So is surviving. I have to die.
Well, I wasn't alone. Please don't feel bad about leaving me. You did what you had to do. Bellamy, we have to go!
You do what you have to. I am not leaving my friends. I left Clarke behind to die, and I left him behind. Not doing that again. I can't do that again. Close the line.
Bellamy will die. They made their choice. I might be the one that gets him killed. You care about him. You care. And you worry about him less. Do you have any idea how much you miss Bellamy? hurricane.
Together. Together.
Oh. Oh. You okay?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
You can do another one.
Yeah, I could do another one.
This one.
Give me a second.
Oh
That was
God.
so good. Oh my gosh.
That was so good.
That was worth the wait for Fan Video Friday.
That was so beautiful.
Love all of your videos and absolutely could not
Yeah.
wait to meet you and Hannah again and hang out.
But that video was beautiful and that song was great, and just like when the
That song was
music
very
like
them.
went up, it was just like, and just to have all the scripts in there, and then at the very
Oh,
end
yes,
it was
that
like
was
the end
perfect
of
touch.
book one. It was just so beautiful, and
Yeah.
that was a great one. Thank you for that.
Thank you so much for making that. That was amazing.
Let us know what you guys thought about this video down in the comments below.
Yes, and if you enjoyed this reaction for Fan Video Friday, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos for the 100.
You can also follow our Twitter and Snapchat. We are at City of the
Thank
Field.
you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye!